If you need to remove a payment method from your Amazon account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, locate the account and lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then select your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to your payments. In your account section, find and click on your payments. This will take you to a page where you can manage your payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method. On your payments page, you will see a list of your saved payment methods. Find the payment method you wish to remove and click on the Edit button next to it. Step 5. Remove the payment method. After clicking Edit, look for the option to remove the payment method. Confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the removal. Now you have successfully removed the payment method from your Amazon account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Amazon customer support.